Hi, let me show you how to use AirDrop on iPhone. Firstly, we need to turn it on. For that, swipe down from the top right corner, the trigger control center, and here press and hold the square tab to see all of the essential tools, such as AirDrop. Now you need to click it once and make sure that you selected either option Context Only or Everyone for 10 minutes. But it is better to select Everyone for 10 minutes. Now you need to find file you want to share with. It could be a photo or maybe something from your Notes app. So just open any app, select an item you want to share with, click on Share icon, and you will see AirDrop in the list of suggested features. So now on another device, you need to make sure that AirDrop is turned on as well. So swipe down from the top right corner again, press and hold square tap on AirDrop, and also choose Everyone for 10 minutes so it will light up blue. After that, on your device, you should see the name of this person's phone, and by clicking it on other device, you should see this pop-up window that this person would like to share a photo. So you can either decline it or accept. I'm gonna accept, and now it will immediately appear in my gallery, and here it is. Also, as you can see, to transfer files from iPhone to iPhone, I can just hold the tops of the phones like that, and I will see this pop-up window again that this device would like to share a video. So I can either accept it or decline once more. And yeah, that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.